In this video, I will show you how to sell Pi token. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to go ahead and sell your Pi network tokens, there's a few steps you need to follow. But please note that the process can depend on the current status of Pi Network's development, and of course whether the project has fully launched its mainnet, which at the time of recording, the mainnet has not been fully launched. So as mentioned, as of the time of recording, Pi Network has not yet launched its mainnet, which means that the Pi tokens are not tradable on exchanges or usable outside the Pi Network ecosystem. Pi Network has been in a testnet phase for a long time, and there have been announcements about transitioning to the mainnet and allowing exchanges in the future. So make sure to ensure that you are aware of Pi Network's current phase, and you can of course check for updates in the app or on the official Pi Network channels. If Pi Network has transitioned to its mainnet and the tokens are tradable, the first thing you're going to need to do is convert your testnet Pi to mainnet Pi. Pi Network may offer a conversion process through the Pi Network app once the mainnet does launch. Now, this process is of course necessary before you can transfer your tokens to exchanges or use them outside of the Pi ecosystem. Make sure to follow the official guidelines for transferring your tokens from the testnet to the mainnet. Now, after the mainnet launch, Pi tokens might be listed on various exchanges. You will need to first of all register on a supported exchange, like for example Binance, KuCoin, which will of course allow you to trade your Pi tokens once they are available. Then what you can do is deposit your Pi tokens from your Pi Network wallet to the exchange wallet. Now keep in mind, at the time of recording, most major exchanges have not yet listed Pi tokens because, as mentioned, the network is not fully decentralized and live on the mainnet. Pi Network has promised to integrate with exchanges once the mainnet is launched, so make sure to pay attention to their announcements as they will provide details about when and where you can list and trade your Pi tokens. Now, until Pi Network does reach its mainnet and is fully launched, make sure to be cautious of websites or people claiming to offer ways to sell your Pi tokens outside of the official channels. Many scammers have tried to exploit the hype around Pi Network, so make sure to take caution and that any exchange or wallet you do use is legitimate and officially supported by the Pi Network. Now, if Pi Network does allow peer-to-peer trading through the app or a marketplace supported by Pi Network, you may be able to sell your tokens directly to others. What you can do is check Pi Network's P2P marketplace or the app to see if there's any available features. So just a few quick notes before we come to the end of this video is to make sure you do wait for the mainnet launch. As mentioned, Pi tokens are currently not tradable outside the Pi Network ecosystem, and of course the mainnet launch will be critical to enabling real-world trading. Make sure to stay updated and always refer to Pi Network's official resources for news and updates about token listings or conversion processes. Now, if Pi Network has progressed to full mainnet status by the time you are watching this video, then make sure to follow the instructions for safely selling or trading your tokens. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.